Do you like Jello? Let's make some Jello fruit salad. Easy Jello fruit salad recipe. By Stephanie Tolson. I love fruit, but sometimes it can get a little boring eating the same fruits every day. Sometimes you got to give fruit a little pizza. Maybe get the kids excited too. I want to share with you a very easy fruit salad recipe that you can make that requires only a few ingredients. That tastes delicious. For this recipe, I use a couple of cans of the fruit salad, a box of Jello, and a tub of Cool Whip. You might have already tried this recipe at one time or another. My daughter said it looks like the Jello at school, but says mine tastes way better. Here is an easy recipe for this yummy fruit salad. Ingredients: a box of gelatin, cans of fruit salad, one tub of whipped topping. Instructions: create the gelatin per instruction on the box and allow it to cool at least 6 to 8 hours to firm, which I did last night. To make the Jello, mix 1 cup boiling water with gelatin. Stir until dissolved, about 3 minutes. Add 1 cup cold water. Chill until firm. Can you smell the strawberry? I'm gonna put it in the fridge and check it tomorrow. Once Jello is cold, take a spoon and stir it around for a few seconds. And add Jello to large bowl, then cans of fruit and whipped topping. Stir lightly to blend ingredients. Enjoy. That's perfect for Easter.